Hello and welcome to Steel Industry News YouTube channel. If you do enjoy this video, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. We do appreciate your support as we are trying to continue to grow the channel. On March 29th, the Alliance for Automotive Innovation, a group representing major automakers including General Motors, Toyota, Volkswagen, and Hyundai, sent a letter to the White House urging them to oppose the potential merger between Cleveland-Cliffs and U.S. Steel. Their primary concern lies in the potential for anti-competitive pricing in the domestic steel market. Let's dive in. Here's a breakdown of some of the key arguments from automakers, in particular, market concentration. Combining these two steel producers would create a dominant player potentially controlling 65 to 90% of domestic steel production, according to the automakers' estimates. This level of concentration could raise serious concerns about a lack of competition, potentially leading to higher steel prices for automakers. There's also the potential impact on electrical vehicles, or EVs. Automakers are particularly worried about the potential impact on electrical steel, or e-steel, which is a critical material for EV motors. A combined Cleveland-Cliffs and U.S. Steel entity could hold a monopoly on domestic steel production, significantly impacting EV production costs and ultimately consumer pricing. Mining and processing facilities. Owning nearly all U.S. iron ore mining and processing facilities, a combined Cleveland-Cliffs and U.S. Steel would have total or near total control of blast furnace production in the United States. In addition, there are concerns from the automakers as well. President Biden has previously emphasized the importance of U.S. Steel remaining a domestically owned company, and the automakers' letter urges the White House to consider alternative outcomes besides Cleveland-Cliffs' takeover. In a quote from John Bozilla, he says, "If the administration has concerns about the Nippon Steel deal, it must seriously consider alternative outcomes. One option that should not be on the table is an arrangement that creates a market concentration of domestic steel production into a single company." Beyond the merger, let's take a look at the steel market in a greater landscape. Cleveland-Cliffs recently announced a price increase, as we reported last week, of $60 per ton on several steel products. This move highlights the dynamic nature of the steel market, where various factors like supply and demand, raw materials, costs can influence pricing decisions. According to automakers, they are concerned about the merged entity and it could have an even greater leverage to raise prices in the future. The global steel landscape. The North American steel market operates within a global context, and factors like trade policies, international steel prices, and competition from foreign producers can all influence domestic steel prices. Looking ahead and navigating the uncertainty in the coming months, it will be crucial for the North American steel industry. There are key questions that remain. Will the U.S. government approve the Nippon Steel and U.S. Steel merger, or will they explore alternative solutions? How will automakers navigate potential price increases, and how will this impact EV production costs? What measures can be taken to ensure a competitive and stable domestic steel market that supports the needs of the auto industry and American consumers as a whole? As the situation unfolds, be sure to stay informed with these latest developments right here at Steel Industry News. And of course, if you haven't already visited our website, be sure to check out some of our other articles regarding the U.S. Steel acquisition, both the Nippon Steel and with Cleveland-Cliffs. And I encourage you to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you next time.